What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert. My name's Shane Joffe. I'm the general manager for HomeQuest. You can check out my bio at homequestsales.com. Today we're here at Roadrunner once again. A few months ago, we showed you and went through the process of setting up these brand new manufactured homes. We're just getting ready to finish the hardscaping, which includes all the concrete work. We have the driveway and the walkways, and then on the back side where it faces the golf course, we have a large patio. Once we finish the hardscaping, they'll complete the skirting and the steps, and then we'll finish all the landscaping. Over here on this home, right here is an example of the finished landscaping and hardscaping. So over here you can see this nice large driveway. You can actually fit maybe three cars side by side, depending on how large your car is. But we have these 2-car garages. These are beautiful 2-car garages. We have the walkway over there. And then as you come back here, let's take a look back here. You'll see this very large, nice side patio. These spaces are very large spaces. You could fit triple wides with attached garages, detached garages, and you have all this open space to do whatever you want. You could create a great place for your friends and family to hang out, have a nice barbecue. And in the wintertime, this is one of the most beautiful places in the desert. You have a lot of natural beauty, beautiful landscape. You have all these mountain ranges that we're surrounded by. All right, so now we're at the back of the home. And what you see is that this actually looks like the front because it is the front of the manufactured home. We did what's called a reverse hitch so that the rear of the home is put on the street side. We wanted to have this pretty front facing the golf course, which has beautiful views. You have a lot of different options when you're designing and customizing a manufactured home. Let's go over here. You can see this home right here that we're still finishing up, but I want to show you the foundation system. A lot of you ask questions about how these homes are set. This is a raised foundation on piers and pads with an earthquake bracing system, locking the home down. So if an earthquake comes, the home's not going to lift up and shift like back in the day, and then the piers go through the floors. That was something that happened back in the day with old mobile homes and trailers. You don't have to worry about that here. Let's go take a closer look. So this is your pier. This wood down here is called your pad, and then this is the earthquake bracing system. It's bolted into this block right here, and that prevents the home from lifting up and shifting during an earthquake. We also have this vapor barrier over the road base, which is compacted to give it a solid foundation. So if you have any questions pertaining new manufactured homes, you know where to contact us. Click the link in the video or give us a call, and we'd be happy to answer any of your questions.